Hello, it's Sanna here with mixed media canvas called Wings of Butterfly. I'm using the Three Girls Tales Beautiful in Full Bloom collection. You can find a full product list in the description on below. I hope you enjoy crafting with me. And let's start. First, glue the paper to the canvas. I used Finnabare's 3D Mother Gel. After that, cover the paper completely with clear gesso. Add some details to the background by stamping randomly. Now it's time to create texture to the background. I love how it gives depth and interesting details to my projects. You know, I'm a texture girl. I'm using Finnabare's perfectly crunchy stencil with paper texture paste. After the paste has dried, I add some color using lavender from Finnabare's liquid acrylic sentimental set. I add water to spread the color nicely. When the paint has completely dried, lightly dab white gesso on the edges using a sponge. Let's start building the composition. Glue the molds first. I leave them white. Place flowers under the butterfly to support the wings. Now place the Prima Flowers and fussy cut elements to create beautiful layers. Add a little bit paint to the center of the flower to bring it to life. And add some splashes also. They glow beautifully in different lights. Blend everything together using softly white gesso. Now it's time for the final touches. I'm adding glitter and micro beads for the center parts of some flowers. A few more pearls and everything is ready. You can find a full product list in the description on below. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Please like my video and drop a comment. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care and have a lovely crafting day. See you next time. Bye.